Lawrence? Ah, you're sleepy. You're sleepy. Lawrence, say hi to mommy. Say hi to mommy. Say hi to mommy. Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you. Oh, make a wish. You sneezed twice. Oh, there's our big baby. You are so cute. Yeah, look at that. Huh? No, that's the shade of the thing right there. That one. Mom, you have to turn it off first. Oh, baby. No, I think that's only to take it off. I don't think you can put it on. Yeah, just put it on low. You might get scared if you put it on high. No. Lauren! Lauren! Put your head up. You can't keep facing that way. You can't keep facing that way. Hey, smile for mommy. Smile for mommy. Smile for mommy. What? The swinger's too heavy? Huh? The swinger's too heavy? The swinger's too heavy? What are you doing? Oh. Oh, because he's... Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. What's that? He seems to be not happy right now. It looks like he has gas. Lauren! Okay, Lauren. His first swing ride. Look at that. Yeah, he has one already. Look at him. Why you look so sad? Why you look so sad? Oh. Why you look so sad? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? You're so chubby. You're so big. That's why they call you big boy. Big boy. Okay, say bye-bye. Hey, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Hey, bye-bye. Bye-bye.